Look who's ready to go home. Look at this handsome 81 CBX. Another deep service project. This was a really nice bike for starters. It was garage kept and loved. It just sat. And it sat and it was old. So it needed all the things that a sat old bike needs. And we did those things to it. Got the full deep service. Valves adjusted, valve cover gasket, sealing washers. Took apart the carbs and cleaned them completely. New air filter, advancer cleaned and serviced and lubricated, and the timing adjusted and checked. Clutch adjusted, new foot peg rubbers, complete brake service, rebuilt master cylinders, rebuilt calipers, and also, of course, brand new brake lines. All the wheels and everything were, of course, cleaned and detailed while we were at it. New chain and sprockets. ProLink service on the rear, the swing arms taken apart, and all of those bushings are cleaned and greased, including the pivot and all of the linkages to the suspension. That seat took a full 5 applications of leather conditioner, and now it looks kind of spiffy again, but it was thirsty. New grips. Cockpit's really pretty nice. We did a little sprucing up, obviously lubing cables and all the sort of usual service. The rear has got a new Icon 3610 shock absorber, great shock. Going to be way nicer than the Air Shock. We just need to install that one missing mirror, which we had a crack in, which we glued and repainted. Front wheel got the works as well. Front brake calipers rebuilt, new brake lines, master cylinder on the front. There's an LED headlight snuck in there. That's our little gift to our great customer. Super nice fella. And another, I'm sure I'm forgetting half the thing. Oh, steering head bearings. Needed steering head bearings like they all do. So it's dandy. This bike started out nice, just tired, and now it's super nice. Ready to go. Ready to go home to Colorado. We do our usual wiring upgrades under here. We do a bypass to the coil power system, so we take relay fed power straight up to the ignition coils. Really helps them start much easier. There's a bladed fuse block in place in the steering head, and we replace the old fusible link in there. Not the usual set of stuff that you know that we do. Stone cold start there. Wake up, girl. Kirker bark. Ready for an Italian tune-up tomorrow. Gonna be fun.